In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on GitHub. This can be useful if you want to change your current security setup or use a different authentication method. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look at the left sidebar and click on Password and Authentication. Now, scroll down until you find the two-factor authentication section. Next to the two-factor authentication section, click the three-dot menu to view the available options. From the menu, select Disable two-factor authentication. GitHub will display a confirmation prompt. Review the information and click Disable to confirm the change. Once GitHub processes the request, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your account. And that's how to disable two-factor authentication on GitHub. Thanks for watching.